There's a $50 part on your refrigerator that could be costing you hundreds in wasted electricity and spoiled food. It's the door gasket, the rubber seal around the door. Here's the dollar bill test. Close your fridge door on a dollar bill. Try to pull it out. If it slides out easily, your gasket isn't sealing. You're losing cold air 24/7 and your compressor is running overtime to compensate. A bad gasket adds $50 to $100 to your annual electric bill. Plus your food spoils faster because the temperature isn't consistent. The part itself costs $30 to $80 depending on your brand and model. Professional installation runs another $50 to $100. Total, under $200 for most fridges. How to find the right gasket? You need your exact model number. It's usually on a sticker inside the fridge compartment on the left wall. The gasket is specific to your model, there's no universal fit. Signs your gasket needs replacing: visible cracks, tears, or gaps. Mold growing in the folds. The door doesn't close flush. You feel cold air escaping when you run your hand along the edge. For Samsung and LG French door models, the lower gaskets wear out faster because they're opened more often. We stock common gaskets on our truck. Same-day replacement on most models. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.